Hello everyone, my presentation is Leading the Digital Transformation Challenges and Commitment. My subtopic is Leadership, Communication and Professional Standard in Digital Projects. First of introduction. What is digital transformation? Digital transformation is the integration of the digital technology into all areas of the business. Fundamentally, challenge how it operates and delivery values to customers. It goes beyond simply upgrading IT system. It about rating business models, improving process, and fostering culture and innovation agility. Key elements of digital transformation: process automation. For example, using ERP system, AI, IoT, and second one is data driven and decision making. Third one is customer centric focus. Fourth one is ability and scalability. Fifth one is empowering and workforce. For example, this introduction, a manufacturing company like Eco Ceramic Limited implements a green ERP system to track energy use, optimize supply chain logistic, and reduce waste. The result of the better sustainability and lower cost. Introduction continue for the next slide. What is digital transformation? And this is charging the ways business operate and shifting organizational culture and elevating customer focus, adopting technologies and process. These areas to cover. And moving to next slide. This slide was leadership style and communication in digital project. For first one is transformational leadership. Uh, in causing innovation in the charge. For example, a leader who drive to use ERP for efficiency. Second one is demonstrate leadership. Third one is effective communication, clear messaging, transparency, and active listening. For example, to better problem solving and engagement, which is leadership style. Uh, this is for leadership style criterias. Auto, autocratic, visionary, affiliative, democratic, pace setting, coaching. This is a leadership areas. Moving to next slide. This slide was a Teams meeting for effective project management. Importance: set goals and track progress, improve the teamwork and accountability. And next one is best practice. Set the clear agendas and deadlines using digital tools for remote teams. For example, weekly meeting for ERP implementation ensure a smooth transition. And moving to next slide. This slide was persuasion and negotiation for project success. Step for effective negotiation. First one is preparation. Research for other parties' need to goals and potential objection. Second one is establish and communication. Build a report and seed cooperative tone. Third one is present your case. Use the data logic and clear reasoning. Number four, active listening. Number five is explore alternatives. Number six is research and agreement. Number seven step is follow up. all of its monitor implementation and hold the whole practice accountable. This circle was a preposition and negotiation process, prepare, exchange, bargain, calculate, calculate, execute. This one, and moving to next slide. Coaching and mentoring performing teams. What is important? Increase the skill and confidence and encouraging continue learning. This is a method, one-on-one coaching, monitoring feedback loops. Example, monitoring journey engineering during system upgrade. This monitoring progress. Moving to next slide. Next slide was a professional standard and social responsibility. Social responsibility of engineers. What is social responsibility? Social responsibility refer to the ethical duty of an engineers to act in a way positively contribute to society through these professional activities while protecting public interest, the environment and future generation. The role of engineering society. Engineering design and develop the infrastructure, system and technologies that shape everyday life. Because of this impact, they have the responsibility to ensure that their work protection public health and safety, support the environmental and sustainability, promote the fairness and quality, uh, eco-grids and innovation for social benefit. Implementation implements energy specification and ERP manufacturing. Moving to next slide. Ethics and standard in engineering. What ethic matter? Ensure trust, transparency and accountability. Prevent the legal and operational risks. Next one was core principles: honesty, fairness, compliance. For example, ethical AI in the decision making for supply chain optimization. Moving to next slide. This was ethics and standard engineering continues. Was engineering ethics for attitude, management, technical sense, responsibility, quality, respect, knowledge, final effect, safe determination, norms, and all things. Moving to next slide. Next slide is continuing professional development was a CPD. Way to step up to date, certified and advanced courses, industries, networking events, research and publications, on the job training. This will benefit of this one. Keep skill relevant, enhance innovation, ensure compliance with involving standard, and moving to next. This is a CPD continue. CPD cycle. CPD cycle access needs, plan learning activities, carry out learning, review learning outcomes and activities, implement acknowledgement in practice, reflect and review, revise. This is a CPD cycle. Oh. Conclusion of my presentation. Key takeaways: strong leadership and communication enable digital transformation. Ethical practice ensures sustainable growth. Continue learning and key to long-term success. And moving to that I end of my presentation. Thank you all of you to watching my presentation. Thanks all. Thank you.